Let's see the symptom once again. You see this error? To explain you more on this error, this is a dual OS machine. I try to install Linux and Windows dual boot on this machine. Let's see the error once again. This time I have not seen the error. Let's start to shut down. The machine is down. Let me start it again. It's supposed to display a menu wherein I will choose either my Linux or my Windows OS, whereas this error is stopping it and it's taking me directly into the Windows operating system. This usually happens whenever we try to install a Linux operating system and Windows operating system, especially both the versions are new. In my case, it is Windows 11 and the Linux is Linux 9. So, whenever the Windows is booting, it is corrupting my Linux bootloader. As a result, the error is coming, and post the error, it is booting into Windows operating system. The way I installed my operating system is I have two hard disks. I used one hard disk for my Linux operating system, other hard disk for my Windows operating system.
Solution hereby is to have a USB pen drive. I am hereby having my USB pen drive. This pen drive has Linux 9.2 operating system loaded. We are going to see the steps how to fix the issue of dual boot which was not working. Let's see. Inserting my Linux 9.2 OS pen drive into my CPU. Let me try to insert this. I inserted it. Okay. Let me switch on my CPU. I need to press F2. Now I'm into the boot options. Now I'm going to my boot section in my BIOS. You might be seeing a lot of noise. This is my CPU noise. Sorry for the inconvenience. So I'm coming down and I'm pressing enter. Now I'm going to my pen drive, which is my Kingston Data Traveler 3.0. This is my boot drive. So what I'm doing is I'm making this one as my first boot drive in the order. Okay. So in order to change the option, I have to press plus. Let me press the plus. Now this came as the first one. Now I click on exit. Now I click on exit saving changes. Then I press Y. That's it. Let's see. Let it boot. This time it will boot from my pen drive. It couldn't. I missed something. Is I shut down my default Windows OS which was booting. Now I have to switch on my CPU once again. This is my pen drive. I'm pressing F2. This causes my BIOS to load. I'm going to boot section. I'm coming down, pressing enter. There must be one more Kingston. Let me check. Kingston. Okay. Now this also I have to increase my first boot option. Then I click on exit save changes. Then I press Y. I'm waiting for it to boot from my pen drive. Let it boot from my pen drive. Yes, you might be seeing the options. It booted from my Linux grub. I'm going to the section called as troubleshooting. I want to do the rescue over Linux